Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, file formats and timeline settings because mismatches cause glitches. Once done, make a new project with matching frame rate and resolution so renders stay clean. Next, import your footage into labeled bins and scrub each clip briefly. Mark 1/2 second in /out points for usable moments. This fast prep saves time later, and it helps you see which clips are worth editing. Make sure to back up the project file before heavy cutting. You now move into detailed execution. Trim aggressively but thoughtfully to keep momentum. Use ripple and roll edits to remove dead space and tighten clips by roughly 10 to 30% where needed. Then sync audio tracks with auto sync or waveform alignment so lips and sounds match. This avoids later audio drift. Once synced, assemble a rough cut on the main timeline, placing story beats first and then visual flourishes. Make sure to preview transitions to confirm flow before refining. You finish by refining pacing and polish. Add J-cuts and L-cuts to smooth audio, apply a simple color grade for consistency, and normalize audio to around -6 dB so levels stay steady. Once satisfied, export using H.264 for delivery or ProRes for archival, matching your timeline settings to avoid quality loss. If problems appear, clear the cache and relink offline media. If clips still glitch, convert them to an intermediate codec like
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.